Dear students of the third Student Conference on International Relations, dear distinguished guests, I deeply regret that I cannot be with you in person. It is an honor to address you today from the heart of the Europe democracy here in Brussels. Before I proceed, allow me to thank you, the Faculty of Social Science of the University of Ljubljana, for organizing this important conference, especially students who are working tirelessly for this important event. As young people, you represent the future of our societies, and your involvement in international relations is essential for shaping the better world. Today's world is facing numerous challenges, from climate change and economic inequality to geopolitical tensions, which are brutally displaying in Russia's war of aggression in Ukraine. In this context, it is crucial to have a strong and united Europe that can lead by example and promote peace, democracy, and human rights globally. The European Union is more than just an economic bloc. It is a political project that has brought peace and prosperity to our continent after centuries of wars and conflicts. However, we cannot take these achievements for granted. We are living in turbulent times, and our values and principles are under threat. We are witnessing the erosion of the rule of law and international law in some parts of Europe and beyond. This is why we need to reaffirm our commitment to a European project and defend our common values and principles. We need to stand up for democracy, human rights, and the rule of law, both at home and abroad. The European Parliament has a crucial role to play in this regard. As the only directly elected institutions of the European Union, we represent the voice of citizens and have the power to shape EU policies and legislation. We have been working tirelessly to address some of the most pressing challenges facing our societies, from climate changes and digitalization to migration and social inequality. We have also been advocating for the more transparent, democratic, and accountable EU that puts the needs of the people at the center. However, we cannot do it alone. We need your involvement, your ideas, and your energy to build a better Europe for a better world. We need you to speak up, to engage in debates, to challenge the status quo, and to demand change when needed. The future of Europe is in your hands, and I have no doubt that you will rise to the challenge. Together, we can create a Europe that is more united, more democratic, and more resilient, and that can serve as a beacon of hope and inspiration for the rest of the world. Thank you again for your invitation, and I wish you a fruitful and inspiring conference.